No, already maybe week or two already working juice,
Wow, wow.
где сок продают.
That's very good, very nice.
Да, нет, небольшой выбор, но
Very good, very good.
есть.
That's nice. And
That's
how many Russian people are inside?
Ой, inside only 5
Yes,
Russian
only
people.
5. Oh boy.
One pair from Moscow.
Yeah,
They live in North 9.
yeah.
В 9-м Норде пара из Москвы.
Yeah.
And only two
Yes.
people, me and Raya in Nord 8.
Okay.
Я и Рая в 8-м Норде. И and Володя Nord 8 also. И Володя в 9-м Норде тоже.
yeah.
5 people.
Wow, wow. Not
Only
so many,
five.
not so many.
Not too many.
Before there were many. In March, April, there were maybe 40 people.
Raya came here in November
Yes,
last
oh
year.
boy.
Already almost
Almost 1 year now.
Yeah.
Yeah, 1 year now. So,
Саша and Nina, пара из Москвы, они с февраля.
Yeah.
From February.
right.
Ну и я
Long time.
from
long time.
beginning of March. Начало марта.
And many people, 2 months ago, they left. They went
Yes,
to
many.
Goa and they fly.
Yes,
Yeah.
many people fly to Russia by Evoco
Special plane.
special
Yeah,
ride.
yeah. I saw them.
Специальными рейсами улетели,
yeah.
но this ride was not from Bangalore,
From Goa.
from Goa.
They
From
went by
Goa,
taxi.
from Delhi.
I saw them. They went by taxi. I looked from outside.
But it's long way to Goa,
Yes.
and many papers need. Много
Yeah.
бумаг, очень
Permission.
много бумаг оформлять,
Permission, yeah.
очень сложно. И not everybody, as I wrote in
Yes.
note
Document.
in group
Group name.
that it was sometimes the people go
Yeah.
to Goa, but not fly to Russia and stay
Yeah.
in Goa
Oh boy.
because no something problem. So I don't want that.
Yes,
Я
yes.
не хочу такого, потому что
Yeah.
because it's no enough money to live in Goa.
Yes. And sometimes in the beginning, I heard when people go to Goa, hotel people don't take them. They don't allow them because they're afraid of the coronavirus. So,
Yes, it's экскурсионные.
right. I heard some people sleep on the street 3 months ago because even I know the room in Arambol where every year we rent for 3 months, 2 months. I phoned to this lady. I asked, she's an old lady. I said, sister, do you have still room empty? I can come. She said, yes, come. And then she told her son who live in Panaji with the family, with men. She said, Shashi is coming. He said, no, he called me, he said, don't come, we don't give you room because it's corona. We don't know if you have corona or not. They don't accept. So many people, he know me. We go 4 years every year. He said, no, when finish corona, you can come.
Yeah.
So it is a big problem.
Потому что даже one girl come out of ashram,
Yeah.
but not sit on your flight,
Yeah.
come back to Puttaparthi, but not come again to ashram.
Wow.
And they live 1 week, do new papers, some
Yes.
medicine paper,
Yeah.
not были неподходящие.
Right.
Надо было тест, а у него была просто справка, там поменялись что-то, и вот это очень часто, very often.
Yes,
And
right.
she week stay in Puttaparthi.
Terrible.
And I hope now, надеюсь, что сейчас она
Yeah.
at home already.
That's good, my dear.
But it was some problem.
Yes, my dear.
So it's very dangerous come
Yeah.
out of ashram.
Yeah.
It may be not flight, but not
Very-
coming,
yes,
come
yes.
back to ashram.
Very true.
Можно выйти из ашрама, не улететь и уже не попасть
Yeah,
обратно.
yeah, that's true.
Поэтому
Yeah.
мы ждем обычных рейсов.
Lot
We
of
are
problems.
waiting for usual flights, for open borders, открытие
Yes,
границ.
very important, very important. Very,
Давайте я вас сниму теперь для...
very important. Very,
May I...
yeah,
you?
sure,
Okay.
sure. Thank you. Sai Ram.
So,
Thank you, Sai Ram.
yeah.
I'm happy to meet Tara. Yeah, I was in Mandir. She just came out, so we start talking. Of course, we know each other from many times, so it is very nice. Thank you. Now I will have my breakfast, and I
Okay.
will speak to you later. Thank you very much. Sai Ram, Sai Ram. Sai Ram.
Okay, Sairam.
Enjoy your chai. Do you want one more chai? I am near the ashram at my breakfast and went to this street. Now I go to Chitravati Road, sit down. Baba bless you. Baba bless you, Baba bless you. Baba bless you. Oi, Swami. Om Sai Ram. Today I interview a little bit of Baba devotee. She knows us. Her name is Tara. Yeah, she's still staying in the ashram. Today I met the man. If you remember, Ira, we went to their home near the, before the station on the left. One time, his wife made a fireplace and said that she knows Baba, whatever magic she did. Met her husband here. He told me she died on April 24th or something like that. I said, oh, sad to know. And it was, I said, have a good day, take care. So, Sai Tower. Om Sai Tower. Empty. Empty. Oh, Baba. Baba. Oi, in Mandir I cannot make video, I feel sorry. You know, I went this morning there, but not allowed to make everybody. So many Sevas are watching. Many Sevas are watching. This is the shop of my friend he lives now in Totocheru. He is from Kashmir actually. He is selling all these beautiful things like bindis and all the bags. Lot of bindis. All the songs. He is my friend Salim from Kashmir. And beautiful shop he has made. Selling all the small things, beautiful things. All this one. All this God pictures. Oh Baba, so many nice things. Lot of bindis. Oh Baba. So many things for decoration. All bindis. Oh my God, lot of collection of bindis. All this nail polish and this one. Some trees. Look at that. Beautiful plants, flowers, everything here. Wow. Beautiful. Oh, Baba. So nice. Wow. Big collection. But this is about 13-14 kilometers from Kudapati. Like Mandra Sutra. Nice flowers.
वो मेरे को पता है उसे तो बुला लेते हैं काम करो
Beautiful. Oh, Baba. This is also his shop. They are both together, two shops here, selling clothes for children, mostly children, and some jeans for grown-up people, shirts. Same owner, this my friend. All here, beautiful. All these beautiful jeans. Everything here, belt. Everything here is nice. Look at that. Beautiful dress.
नहीं मैं आएगा लेट हो गया तो गाड़ी में भेजेगा 5 मिनट से पहले 4 बजे
Okay. Sale.
अरे हाँ यार
Yeah,